Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Halloween porch decorating video. It only took me about 15 minutes to do so, so if you want a real quick video on how I decorated it, go ahead and stick around for it. So I just started by sweeping off my porch, and then of course I go and I start stuffing this pillow, and the print on the pillow is like a black sugar skull. I want to say that I bought this off of eBay several years ago it was like right around $1 with free shipping. I have no idea, but yeah. So I also have these black and white buffalo check. I got those off of Amazon, so I'll be sure to link those two pillows below. I also plan on doing my fall and my Christmas and black and white buffalo check, so I'll be repurposing a lot of my buffalo check stuff for that. And then the jack-o'-lantern that you see there on the porch, that's made of burlap, and there's a light inside of it, and it actually lights up at night. The beware sign, I made that myself, so I do have a DIY video on that, so be sure to go check that out. And I made the wreath myself also, but I made it like 3 years ago. Also putting these mums by the porch, we bought these a couple weeks back. We got them in the white and in the orange just to kind of match the colors of the porch. And you can see me struggling to get this spooky sign in the ground. I kept hitting like concrete or something underneath there, so I kept having to move it around, but I did make this spooky sign myself, and I also have a DIY video on that on my channel, so go and check that out also. So now I'm just putting down the floor mats, and I started with the black and white buffalo check. I got that off of Amazon, and then the one that I'm laying on top I got at home, and it just says Happy Halloween. But I ran into a problem. I can't open my door because it's so high, so I guess I'm gonna have to kind of push it further back away from my door, which is kind of a bummer because it doesn't look as cute. But yeah, if anybody has a solution for that, let me know. But yeah, kind of bummed out about that. Also, I'm putting this little Halloween shirt on this dog because he sits on my porch year round, but I thought it would be really cute to dress him up and keep him on my porch, so I'm probably going to look for him like a little witch's hat or something to go on his head because I just think that would be so cute. Alright, so that's it, you guys. I told you it didn't take me very long at all. I don't know why, but it didn't show me showing the witch's welcome sign being put up. I don't have any clue why, but I think that that's really cute too.
I will be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night. I will be.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!